everyone. Sarah here from Huxtello iTech Solutions with some exciting news for all candidates looking to take the 2024 NovDec WASI private exams. Registration is officially open. The exams will run from October 25th to December 18th, giving candidates plenty of time to prepare. But don't wait too long to register. The deadline is August 30th, 2024. Be sure to mark your calendars and get your registration in on time. To register, simply visit the WAEC website and follow these easy steps. Kindly check the video description. Step 1. Log in to the portal using your email and password. If you haven't created a profile yet, don't worry. You can do so right from the login page. Step 2. Enter your personal details, including your name, date of birth, region, email address, postal address, and any disabilities you may have. Step 3. Select your preferred exam region and center, choose up to 8 subjects, and upload a passport-sized photograph and signature. Step 4. Review your form to ensure all information is correct, then submit it. You'll receive an invoice for payment at the bank. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you'll be on your way to taking the 2024 NovDec exams. Remember, this exam is open to a wide range of candidates, from students in remedial schools to professionals looking to enhance their qualifications. For more information, be sure to visit the WAEC website. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your exams.